Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can share your LinkedIn profile, basically your profile link. So first and foremost, right over here is one sort of a profile link. If I copy this and then if I paste it here, I should be brought to my profile right now. Same goes for someone else's profile. If I press on their profile, as you can see, it's a different name. If I press on this guy's profile, as you can see, it's a different name. So it is always going to be, that is your profile link. The other way you can also share your profile link is share profile in a message. So over here, you can find the message. If someone contacted you and wants to know your profile, or you want to contact someone, like someone right here, you know, I'm not going to do that, but you can just send your profile as a message to them as well, just from within LinkedIn. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.